I have my eye on you.
Hey, it's Alan from Hacked Gadgets here. I just wanted to share a little helpful tip on how to remotely monitor something, since, in our hectic schedules, oftentimes you need to be monitoring something, and also it'd be nice to do some productive work at the same time. Well, in my case, sometimes I might want to be doing something on the CNC machine. However, in my case, my CNC machine is probably 30 or 40 feet away from here. So, you can get wireless cameras and that sort of thing to, that you could keep an eye on things, but I wanted to do it on the cheap. So what I wanted to use is a USB camera. Now, of course, USB cameras, their range is limited. You can, maybe get, 7, 14 feet maybe. You can buy little range extenders, but usually they're quite expensive. I found the optimal solution, I think. And what that is these little Ethernet USB extenders. So on one end it has a male and female connection, and on the other end it's just basically straight Ethernet. So you can go up to 300 feet apart on these, and so it allows you to run something like this is maybe a $20 or $40 webcam. What I'm actually running on the other end is a $10 webcam, because I'm not really interested in a super high resolution picture. I just want to see what's happening. And the nice thing about it is I'm going to be running it into a computer, so it also allows me to monitor this on something like my iPod Touch here. Let's take a look and see how it works. Okay, so this is my laptop computer, and here's the design here that I would like to be cutting on the CNC machine. And so basically here's USB to Ethernet, and this is on one side. Let's go to the other side and see what we have over there. Okay, and here's the CNC machine, and of course I've just strung this along here just to get things working. I'm going to tidy it up nice and neat later. But so this is the other end of the cable. This is the Ethernet cable. Goes to the other end of this adapter, and plugged into that is a webcam, and that's just basically coming over to the top here. And I've just clear taped it onto this metal ducting, which is good enough for now. I'll probably put a nice bracket on there, and it's just pointing at the CNC machine. So let me get something cutting on the CNC machine. We'll go into the computer room, and we'll take a look and see what we see. Okay, so here we have the CNC machine working away. Let's go and see what it looks like. Okay, so the CNC machine is running. I can barely hear it in the background, but that's good. I'm going to click on the program you need, which is YawCam. I'll link to it in the article. Okay, so YawCam is up, and what I normally do is I normally drag this over to the side here, and you can actually make it nice and big. I just dragged it over here, so you can make it whatever size you want. So there's the CNC machine, and I can plainly see that it's not in any trouble or anything. And on the iPhone, this software here, let me drag that window over also. I'll just zoom in a bit here. So on the software, it's actually really nice. It has this stream output. It has a whole bunch of different options here. You can save it to a file, or FTP it, or put it on a website. But if you stream it, what that allows is now I can launch the touch here, and let me just pull up the website. Okay, so I actually have something called CNC Machine. I can pull that up, and there we go. Nice and out of focus, but there it is now, streaming on my touch, so we can see there or here. So if I need to go upstairs, or if I want to take a break for lunch or something, and I got some work happening, well, I can still monitor it just on the touch here, all nice and wirelessly, and you know, it works. It works really well. So hopefully somebody gets some use out of this idea.
For more information, go to hackedgadgets.com.